Hello guys, my name is Michael and I was thought I can do a little video about batteries for Airsoft. Basically, you have many different batteries and many different connectors, but most what is used in an Airsoft on a stock guns are nickel metal hydrate batteries or something. Basically those batteries with these little cells. Most people who runs some kind of ECU or MOSFET upgrading obviously batteries to LiPo batteries, and that's what I will highly recommend it. That's basically kind of like starter battery. A lot of guns have included these batteries in a box when they come. Most, no all obviously. Most batteries also come with Tamiya connectors. Tamiya connectors are kind of old school connectors. They don't let much amps through, but so is fuse. So obviously if you have fuse and you wanna change connector, doesn't make much big difference because obviously fuse have more resistant actually than have Tamiya connector. But a Tamiya connector it's not all that good for extended use. When you're using Tamiya for a certain period of time, it's worn down quite a lot. What I like to use if I have space is XT60s. XT60s connectors, it's connectors which are quite easily, connect, disconnect and reuse again. It's basically a very easy connector, nice also connector to do soldering on. I really love them. But if it's no space, I have to use these XT connectors, which many people call them Deans. Those Deans connectors are great. Most airsofters use them and change them automatically. Works absolutely great. I think they let through 45 amps and XT60 60. So XT60 is better connector in theory, but it doesn't really matter that much. XT60 is basically my preference, which I use everywhere, so that's the main thing. Other thing what I would like to talk about is voltage. So obviously voltage. I used to use 7.4, but I changed everything internal to high quality stuff. So obviously everything what I run Viva Agile. So everything what I do, now I run on 11 ones. Because I can fix my guns very easily, and I did broke a lot of my guns especially because I was using 11 ones, and I upgrade them now, or most of them, to stand 11.1. Great stuff. It's perhaps Scorpion Evo, which is built for 11.1 battery, which I use. This kind of battery, very well made gun and absolutely amazing. And it's basically built because don't have a fuse. If you have ESUs or these kind of computers in your airsoft guns, you don't need to use fuses because these computer checking everything out. So obviously you have real advantage of better wiring and better connectors. So what else? Charging of batteries. Many people, even if they use airsoft chargers, use them different ways. So what I use them, first of all, if you want to upgrade batteries, or even if you still have those batteries and if you're thinking about change them eventually, buy this kind of charger with display and everything. Don't buy even these small smart chargers for walls and stuff, whatever, anything. Don't buy it. Skip all, buy something like this. It's easy to control, and you can do so many other things with it as well, and you can charge other stuff with it. So what I usually do, obviously, if you charge a battery, you connect the battery, and choose, you obviously want to charge a light bulb, but so obviously if you want to charge it, don't put charge, put balance on. Automatically, it's free cells, so obviously start, it's 2.2, 2020 milliampere, so in theory you could charge that 2.2 amps, that'd be like equal. So obviously if it's this 1200, you should charge that 1.2. Different is if you have nano batteries. Nanotech batteries for Airsoft, you charge triple fast. So obviously if it's 1000 here, you can charge that with 3 amps. But you can charge everything with 3 amps, but you destroy that battery faster. So everything safer, you can use charge everything with 1 amp, because obviously normally batteries is under 1000 milliampere hodin. So obviously again, nanotech triple, yeah. So you can safely charge that with 3 amps faster. Never mind. So if you put that on balance, that's a start. Obviously that's 7/4 changer. Hold that for a start. Battery check. Blah, blah, blah. Start. And you can switch that to the cells, and you can see individual cells. That's your battery charging. That's before a game. Yeah. But if I finish my game and I, let's say, get home and these batteries are dead, in theory people what do remote control RC cars and stuff like that, I see they do different thing. They put storage charge, and they charge that in a storage charge. A storage charge is 3.8 per cell. So obviously that means if you balance it, like if you want to charge a battery, confirm, put loose, and you see individual cells. So obviously these cells now have, if it's cell full, it's 4.2 volts, and so obviously it's better don't leave that overcharged or maximal charge. But if you have that for a storage, but I find that it's like not that much necessary, since many people just charge them maximum, and or even don't let them on low. But if it's something on, even if it's fully charged, I never that many problems, because I leaving all my batteries in battery packs. But you can see some batteries are a little bit like puffed up, you know. That could be many things, you know. That could be internal damage caused by wrong charging, or drain out completely, and after that if you do emergency bypass start, which you could do, let's say if your battery is dead and your charger says you cannot charge it, what you could do is connect 2 batteries, plus minus, and give them 2-second shock. That give him enough oomph and charge to restart their life again, mostly, or if it's one of the cells completely dead. But that could cause internal damage. So obviously what I do is I charge them after game storage charge, which charge them up to 3.8 volt per cell, and before game day, night before, I charge them to maximum. In theory that should extend life of the batteries. So hopefully that was helpful a little bit, and if you have any question, let me know. Maybe I will give you answer. Not sure, because I don't have much time.